Pretty cool, huh? I just wanted to remember my trip back there. I got a question for you. When we removed the hair clip, Vic and Sarah never met. Vaughn was never born, and Paradigm Industries never was. That's why he was teaching here. But why were you affected by all of this? I mean, why were you flipping hamburgers?
Well, since you ask, when I was at school, I was great at science, but everything else was a little cloudy, and I didn't think that I would be able to go to college. But then, at the last minute, I received a scholarship which allowed me to continue my studies.
And?
It was a Paradigm Industries scholarship. When a position became available here, Mr. Pearson called me personally. I felt I owed him after all he's done for me.
Wow. One hair clip did all that.
I think this is yours.
A lot of good it's gonna do me. I already lost the other one.
Hey, Dad, you took out the trains.
I still like just watching them. Brings back memories of my youth.
Dad, I kind of wanted to thank you for getting me into that science club. I know I thought it was lame at first, but truth is, I kind of like it now. Science is cool. Did you always like it?
Always. Vaughn, just let me take care of a few things. We'll go for a walk, and we'll talk about science.
Great.
Paradigm Industries. And Son.